This video will help you pair the RF key wireless controller with the switch unit, RFSAI-61B-SL. First, remove the battery from the device. Press any buttons to fully discharge the device. Insert the battery. The red indicator light will turn on. Press button 1 and wait until the indicator light turns off. Next, press the prog button. The indicator light will start blinking. Select a button on the remote and assign it a function. End the programming by pressing the prog button briefly. Then, remove the battery from the device and press the buttons to completely discharge it. Insert the battery back in. The red indicator light will turn on and then start blinking. After the indicator light finishes blinking, you can start controlling the paired devices.